So kidney stones basically they form in urine which is concentrated. Now in the concentrated urine there are mineral salts as well as the acid salts which stick to each other. This happens only when the urine is concentrated, and once these materials stick to each other, they join with each other and then they result in formation of the kidney stones. So this is the basic principle as to how kidney stones form. There are many causes, but the most important cause for formation of kidney stone is the water intake. If the water intake of an individual is not proper, the urine becomes concentrated. So this being the most important cause. Now, other than this, there are conditions which cause recurrent urinary tract infections. In recurrent urinary tract infections, the tendency of the kidneys to form stones increases. Along with this, the diet also plays a very important role. Diet which is more in protein, diet which has got low fat, and diet which has not got adequate supplement of calcium in it can also predispose. Other than this, kidney stones tend to form more in male sex. They have a predisposition at the age of around 30 to 50 years. And the diet, as already I have told you, plays a prime factor in formation of kidney stones. Now, there are certain conditions such as the Crohn's disease or the post-gastric bypass surgeries, which are responsible for formation of kidney stones because they cause excessive absorption of calcium, and also endocrine abnormalities such as in cases of hyperparathyroidism, so wherein again the calcium concentration in the body increases. So this also can predispose an individual to form the kidney stones. Now, to summarize, again the most important cause again remains the water intake of an individual. So an individual has to take at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water per day so that his body does not produce concentrated urine and result in formation of kidney stones. Globally speaking, the percentage of kidney stones is around 15%. So 15% of the population will develop kidney stones. Now, taking male is to female proportion, males have got 13% predisposition for formation of kidney stones, and females have got a predisposition of around 7% to form the kidney stones.